Hey guys, in this video we'll implement put method for both student and department controller. We use this method to update existing record in our table. Okay, let's start with department controller. Just copy this post method code and pasting below that. Here change the method name to put. Okay, now we have to modify this insert query. Update, then table name. Here table name dbo.department and then set department name. Here we can modify only department name based on given department ID. Department name where department ID equal double quote, then that's plus symbol. Here dep dot department ID, then at symbol here. Okay, update table name, set department name, column name, where condition. Okay, that's it. Now we have to modify this message. Updated successfully, failed to update. Okay, now save this and run this app. Now go to Postman. Here change this method to put method. Here go to SQL Server. Here we have three records. Now I am going to modify this third record. Here we have the department name as Max. Now I am going to modify this as Mathematics. Okay, ID 3, department name Mathematics. Okay, then click send. Updated successfully. Let's check it in SQL. Execute. Okay, here department name has changed to Mathematics. Okay, now let's add this put method in student controller. Okay, so I'm going to copy this put method from here and pasting here. Change the model name as student. Okay, update table name student. Set student name. Student name. Father name. Single quote, within that double quote, plus stu dot father name, then department name, double quote, plus symbol. Inside this stu dot department, where condition we have to pass student ID. Your student dot student ID. Okay, that's it. Here we are updating student name, father name, department based on given student ID. That's it. We have the message, updated message. Okay, now let's check in SQL. Execute this query. Here we have three records. Okay, now I am going to modify third record. Father name I will change. Okay, now run this app. Go to Postman. Change this method to put your student ID 3. Student name will be Rajkumar. and father name Kannan, department mathematics. Here I am modifying student name, father name and department. 3 columns I am changed. Okay, now click send. Here we have the response updated successfully. Okay, now let's execute in SQL. See here, the record has been modified. Student name, father name and department has changed. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In our next video, we'll implement delete method.